What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to Grips Clips. It's another episode on changing a drive belt on the Exmark 36 Metro. Today, you're going to need a set of gloves, a jack. You want to jack up the back end so you can get the tire off the ground, a set of regular pliers, and a set of needle nose pliers. First thing we're going to do, folks, is take off the spring that holds the tension spring for the belt off. The way you do this, get your regular pliers, grab the spring, get a good grip, just let it loose, just pops right off. Spring here. Next, you're gonna get your needle nose pliers. You got 2 cotter pins, one here for this, for your ECS control, and then one here for this, the brake. So is what this does is allow you to lift the pulley up, okay? So what you're gonna wanna do is lift this up, kind of shift it over a little bit. Sometimes you gotta work this off of here because they got this nut right in the way. You could loosen this and twist it, but I'm not trying to do that today. Okay, twist it off like so. Pull it out this little, they got a bar back here that keeps the belt in place. You take it off, and as you can see, it's a pretty worn out belt. See, we got a gash in it right here. So that belt's trash. This is also not a bad time to run your pliers through your pulleys. Make sure there's nothing on there that may cause the blue belt to have any issues. Or if you got a brush, you can brush it out. New belt. Stens 265-458. Replacement. I think its stock number is 323288. So you go over the tire first. Put it on your pulley. I'm gonna lift this out of the way. Come up here. Pop it in place on the pulley. Pop it in place on that pulley. There you go. Now, after doing this, you may get some alignment issues with your controls because obviously the new belt's got more tension on it. No need to be alarmed. Just adjust it accordingly. So what I do is I put the brake, the lower, the one that goes to the brake, put it in first. So we may need to loosen it up a little bit. More. Okay, that one's in. See how the wheel's tight? The brake's applied, so you want to loosen this up till the brake's not applied. Okay, let's check this one. And as you can see, as it stands, the ECS handle is not out. It should be out, not in. So what we'll do, we'll turn this. And these were kind of stretched out, so the adjustments on these rods were already maxed out, so you want to come back, check the height, probably a little more. Stops, and it's in neutral. So you take your cotter pins, jam them back in here. Take your spring, and the way I've always done it was put the spring on the back first, putting it on. Again, grab the pliers. There you go, folks. Thank you for watching Grips and Clips. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more videos to come. Thank you. Peace.